Welcome, here I've got CUBOT P40 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first let's tap on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to this button, the second from the left. When we pick this, we get access to more settings about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on this button from the right. By tapping on this, we can easily turn on the camera grid lines, and by just another tap, we can turn them off. This is how it works. Now let me keep this turned on. As you can see in the camera preview, it shows us these lines. This is useful when we want to, for example, use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery to see the picture, we can see that these lines are not visible here, so they are only to help us taking better photos. Of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to this button and then tap again on this to turn them off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.